Hey Aiden, where do these boxes come from?
Oh, they come from a manufacturing company called Tioga Container, and they're more important than you think.
They're just boxes. How could we be important at all?
Without boxes, we wouldn't have a lot of things we have today. Like your phone, for example.
My phone?
Your clothes, too. That's the cool thing in manufacturing. Without just boxes, we wouldn't have a lot of things we have today.
We should go to Tioga Container and find out really what's so cool about manufacturing.
We're now entering Tioga Containers. Let's go see what's so cool about manufacturing.
We basically have always provided customers with corrugated packaging. Our company motto is, we want to be able to design your packaging needs from the pallet all the way up. So we want to become basically a one-stop shop for any customer.
We find our customers by doing what we call prospecting. We would go out, possibly see a company that we would think may be a large purchaser, find out if there's any kind of problems with their current supply that we can help design and then manufacture for them. We'd get that to our design department that would assemble a CAD.
CAD system is a design system, really like mechanical drawing, but on a computer. So it allows us to make any type of structure, save it into our system, and then also send it to our CAD table and create a prototype.
Pricing and samples look good. We generally get a PO from the customer that says, okay, I want, say, 5,000 boxes at whatever price we quoted, and we would enter that at customer support. At that point, it becomes a job that would go into production.
I supervise all the tooling and personnel in the pre-production department. Once it's on planning board is where die prep picks it up. We will get an order in. We'll have to see what the due date is on it, what machine it runs on, get all the associated tooling along with the work order and the print card out to the machine according to the planning board on when it's scheduled to run.
For shipping, I make sure we have set aside what we need to send to certain customers, and then other stuff we send to our other plant. With forklifts, I just make sure everybody's doing what they need to do, and then I'm there to help if they need any help.
It's really cool to just take a square piece of corrugated and turn it into a box.
It keeps the world going.
You wouldn't think that a cardboard box made a difference.
It's seeing what I made that makes me proud of what I do.
And that is what's so cool about manufacturing from North Penn-Mansfield. Thank you for watching.